To stumble is natural. It doesn't mean it was done on purpose. This proverb reminds us that mistakes and mishaps are a normal part of life, often caused by external factors rather than deliberate actions. Consider a scenario where you couldn't inform your team about a meeting change due to a sudden power outage, and other external factors, like loss of internet connection, that prevented communication. It wasn't something you planned, it happened unexpectedly. These examples show us that stumbling or making mistakes can happen due to external factors, and are not necessarily intentional. So, to stumble is natural. It doesn't mean it was done on purpose. It reminds us to be understanding and compassionate towards ourselves and others when unforeseen events lead to mistakes. If you found this proverb insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.